Hi Vansh.
Of grade 10 Diamond from Springbird School, Sonipat, here presents a working model on the topic waste management, which shows the recycling of grey water coming out of the houses. It is a novel solution with an ingenious design to a problem.
So, what is grey water? Grey water is something which is the water left after the washing the clothes and washing the utensils. So, grey water is the very huge problem for the people living in arid areas, as it pollutes their drinking water and also the water bodies for the people and the animal. Sometimes this grey water leads to the waterborne diseases, which is very harmful to the people. But with the best techniques and with the best schemes, we can deal with this problem and convert this into an opportunity. And convert this into an opportunity.
Grey water recycling system works on the principle of reusing, reducing and recharging the ground level water. Now let's move on to the procedure in a descriptive way. Firstly, we'll make a barrier towards the main drainage, which will divert the stream of water to the tank named as tank 1. Into the tank 1, the physical removal of large suspended particles takes place with the help of filtration and sedimentation. Grit, soil and other bigger objects settle down. Now the water moves to the tank named as tank 2.
Now, this partially filtrated water is passed into the tank number 2. Now, this tank 2 contains one L-shaped pipe which is put at 2 to 3 inches below the water and 1 inch into the water. Now, this is in the L shape because some particles may be floating in the water and may enter through the pipe and choke it. So, it also needs the time-to-time cleaning, but as these particles will enter into the pipe and choke it. Now this filtrated water is entered into the soak pit. Now this soak pit consists of two parts. One contains full of pebbles and one is totally empty. Now the water enters into the pebble one part and gets seep out into this mesh, and then it enters into the ground. As it is not with cemented, so it passes into the ground.
After this further filtration, the water gets clean and it seeps down into the earth and increase the underground water level, and hence this decreases the level of waterborne diseases and increase the water bodies.
So, we have taken the reference from the Naveen grey water management, which was
implemented in Bhiwani in 11 to 12 villages. Thank you.